Tools, Y tool, 3-in-1 hex key. Step 1. Replacing the front wheel. Use the Y tool to unscrew the axle nut and remove the front wheel. Place the washer included in the Mad Max 125mm wheels kit onto the axle. Install the Mad 125mm wheels. During installation, use the 3-in-1 hex key to align the inner spacer to ensure the axle slides through smoothly. Install the washer and tighten the nut. Once tightened, turn the nut back by a quarter turn to allow proper wheel rotation. Front wheel installation is complete. Step 2. Replacing the rear wheel. Use the Y tool to unscrew the axle nut and remove the rear wheel. Remove the belt guard by unscrewing its bolts with the 3-in-1 hex key. Slowly rotate and gently pull out the original wheel pulley. Loosen the motor mounting screws to allow motor adjustment. Mount the 45T wheel pulley and belt of Mad 125 wheels onto the rear axle. Hold the motor to tighten the belt, then tighten the motor mounting screws. Reattach the belt guard. Install the Mad 125 wheels, adjusting its position to align with the pulley. Install the washer and tighten the nut. After tightening, turn the nut back a quarter turn for optimal tension. Next, you still need to set the wheel size and drive ratio. Click the top right corner to see the setting method. Rear wheel installation is complete.